Ants are fascinating insects belonging to the family Formicidae, known for their complex social structures and behaviors. Here are some interesting facts about them. Social structure. Ants live in colonies that can range from a few dozen to millions of individuals. Colonies typically have three types of ants: the queen, males, and worker ants. The queen's primary role is reproduction, while the male's main job is to mate with the queen. Worker ants, which are all female, perform various tasks like foraging, caring for the queen's offspring, and defending the nest. Communication. Ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones. These chemicals can signal danger, mark trails to food sources, or indicate social status within the colony. Diverse species. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they can be found on almost every continent. They vary widely in size, color, and behavior. Strong and efficient. Ants are incredibly strong for their size, capable of carrying objects many times their own weight. Their cooperative behavior allows them to efficiently gather food and resources. Ecosystem roles. Ants play vital roles in ecosystems. They aerate soil, decompose organic material, and help control pest populations. Some ants also form mutualistic relationships with plants and other insects. Fascinating behaviors. Some ant species exhibit unique behaviors. For example, leafcutter ants cultivate fungus by cutting leaves and bringing them back to their nests. Army ants are known for their aggressive foraging behavior and large, nomadic colonies. Ants are a testament to the power of cooperation and adaptability in nature.